Hello guys, welcome to my channel Abbas Hacker. So today I'm going to teach you how to remove any errors in your PC. Like you may get a lot of errors related to files while formatting your PC. You may get an error, many type of errors. For removing those type of errors, I'll guide you how to remove all those errors. So I'm showing you some commands. It will be available in the description. Okay, so these are the commands which we are going to execute in the command prompt. So I'm going to show you how to do that. So open command prompt and as administrator, and then this would prompt click yes, and then the command prompt will open, and then what you need to do is just or just copy and paste these commands one by one. So I'm going to type it sfc slash scan now and enter. It will beginning the scan. It's beginning the scan, and it would complete in some time. Till that, I'm just pausing the video. So guys, it's going on in the background. So let me start with the next command. So it's type command prompt or cmd in your search and run it as administrator. It will prompt this USC will prompt click yes, and then what you do is you take this command, take one at a time, and then paste it here. This command will take a lot of time, so make sure you complete it. If you don't complete it, many of the errors will not be removed. So it may take up to 2 hours depending upon your PC. So if your PC is so fast, it will just take 1 hour. Make sure you complete it. So for the next command, we need to reopen this command prompt, click as run as administrator, and then click yes. And then now we're going to do the third command. So this is third command. So and then enter. So it will take some time. And after that it will prompt like this because you are using the C drive. So I am my Windows drive is my C drive. So I'm going to check my C drive using the chkdsk command. So in this, if your Windows drive is some other drive like D drive or whatever it is, you need to make sure that you change this in this command and then check it. Since the C drive is used for opening the PC and all, so it cannot be checked by now. So if you press N Y, I mean Y, then the command will run as soon as you restart your PC. If you press N, the command will not be run in, I mean executed after you restart. So I'm pressing Y, and then the volume will be checked the next time when the system restarts will appear, and then this prompt will appear. Type exit and leave the prompt. So guys, I'm even going to explain today about the uh, settings and the boot options. Like if your PC, if you're formatting a PC and it got hang or and it's got stuck, and if it's not formatting, then what you need to do is reinstall Windows. Reinstall Windows using uh, go to Chrome or your page and type Windows 10. Okay, and then this page will load up to you. Just a minute, it's loading up. So it loaded up. Click this and then download the tool and run the tool. It will actually. So after downloading the tool, what you need to do is run the tool and install Windows 10 again. So once you do that, your PC will be ready without any errors. So after that, you can format your PC. But still, if you face any of the problems, what you need to do is you need to go to, yeah, 1 minute, go to Chrome. I'm so sorry, I opened this by mistake. And then type RUFUS Rufus. Go to rufus.ie or the official site, and then you need to download this Rufus 3.11. I'm not going to show this to you. I'm just going to explain you how to do this because it will take a lot of time, and I don't want to waste the memory, or I don't want to waste your time. I just want to explain you how it does. So once you download the Rufus, you need to, after installing Windows 10 from that tool, after running the tool, you need to create an ISO image. There are many YouTubers who have explained how to create an ISO image. You need to just create an ISO image. So ISO image Windows 10. So if you are able to get the ISO image, just get it on your desktop, and then after downloading Rufus, what you need to do is you need to select this file, and then you need to install all the boot files into your pen drive, which will which can be used as a bootable device when your PC doesn't work or doesn't start normally. So that's, hope you guys understand it. And now I'm going to continue this. So if you find Windows Resource Protection did not find any integrity violations, it means that there are no errors found in this PC. So this command shows you if there are any uh, corrupted files or files which cannot be opened. It will be corrected by this command. And if this command still doesn't work, I have showed you the last command. I mean the this command, chkdsk command. Once you restart your computer, this command will start. Uh, so at that time, 900% of your errors in your PC will be done. So this is restoring image. So this command actually restored my image by removing any type of errors in my image. So even if you see 100%, don't end it till the prompt reappear, because this operation will not be completed even if 100% is done. So don't close the window as soon as you see 100%, because it will not be completed. Once it's completed, it will prompt this thing like this, and then once it's prompt, you can type exit and enter, which will close the tab. So guys, after restarting this, this will prompt, and automatically it will start fixing the whole, I mean, it will start fixing the C drive like this, and after its completion it will automatically restart again. So it's not a big issue. If you type that chkdsk command, the chkdsk command runs like this. Thank you guys, see you tomorrow. Make sure that you subscribe my channel, like my videos. Thank you guys, see you tomorrow.